Hey guys, Jacob here from Recreational Power Sports. Today I'm going to be walking you through another pre-owned boat we got in. This one here is a 2023 PolarKraft 165 Outlander. Starting off, it does have a swing away tongue. You have your spare tire here. And as you can see on the trailer, it has been down a gravel road or two. One thing I would also like to point out is you do get the full enclosure with this boat. Super nice feature. As we make our way down the boat, you can see there are a couple scuffs in the sticker there. And there is some damage here as well. Coming around to the back of the boat, this one is coming with the 90 horsepower Yamaha motor. The prop is in very good condition. It almost looks brand new. You have your transducer for the fish finder. And you do have your pop-up cleats. Let's hop inside, I'll show you the rest of the boat. Alright guys, inside the boat you do have your driver and passenger seat. You do have rod storage here in the middle. You do have this pull-out drawer for more storage. You have your base, so if you buy a third seat in the future, you can put it there. And then it does have two pop-up seats as well. Coming around to this side, you have another storage compartment there. A bigger one in front. In here, you'll find your extra pedestals, so that's really handy. You stick it in the base there, and then all you need is a chair. You do have a glove box for additional storage, as well as your cup holder. And then coming around to the driver's side, you do have your Boss audio system, all your gauges, all your switches, and this one does also come with the Humminbird Helix 7. In the front of the boat here, you do have your storage compartments, one here and one in front of the passenger. And you do have a big Livewell as well. One more thing I would like to point out is this boat does have the trolling motor base on the front, and it is pre-wired. You have your hook up there. If you have any questions on this boat, feel free to check it out on recreationalpowersports.com or come on by and check it out.